So just keep in mind it takes a little bit to slow up. So just keep, the distance, just let off. This is the wheelchair exactly how it came out of the packaging. Pretty much almost everything is put together, so you don't have to do a lot of work. We're gonna lift this up just like this, and as you can see, it's together, and then we're just gonna push down. When I say this is one of the easiest wheelchairs to use, okay, we unlock the wheels. The setup is so simple and easy, and on the back here, you push this and you pull this, you fold it like this, that's it. It's that quick, it's that simple. You're ready, push this down, make sure this is latched on in the back here, you're ready to go. This, you can adjust, and this slides out, so you control, if you wanna adjust it. It has a seat belt, quick release seat belt, padded back, padded seat. Easy to control, simple. Everything is adjustable with this unit, and right out of the box, all this, what you see, came right out of the box without having to use anything. We take a look on the side here, press the button, look. Is this not amazing or what? This brand did an extremely good job. Now let me show you the chair up close. I love the carbon fiber. That looks so clean. Guys, overall, they really made this a well-built quality product. And if you guys are wondering, well, how do you turn it on? Connect this red plug back here. So this will be unconnected. All you do is connect it. And then you go over to your controller.
Welcome using Smart Wheelchair. Mute. Mute.
You have SOS. So SOS mode. Increase the volume. Decrease. Now I do want to point out, when you're ready to actually use this, make sure these are up to the lock position. If you have it down here and you try and use the unit, it's probably going to just beep. So, okay, so yeah, it's just going to keep beeping if you try and use the unit. So what you do is you turn it off, go back here, make sure these are both up. If you can unplug it and replug it if you need to reset it. So that's a good reset. And then go ahead and turn it on.
Welcome using Smart Wheelchair.
And then sit down, apply the pressure, and here you go.
Look out, reversing. Look out, reversing.
So you can turn that off by muting it if you don't want it to talk.
Look out, reversing.
But it is kind of nice. It lets people know. So you can increase the speed as well, which is the plus and minus. So that was on low, this is faster. So it's got a nice amount of speed, forward and reverse. But yeah, you can adjust the speed. Wow, it's actually very impressive. Again, from somebody who has reviewed many of these, if you're looking for something that the quality is there, it's got great speed, it's got a horn, it's got, so your battery indicator level is going to be right on here. In person, it won't blink, but it shows you your battery level. If it's blinking like this, it's because we have, you have these pushed down, or one might be half down or something. And that's just if you want to move it around. So you unlock it so you can move it freely. When you lock it, then it only moves by the motor. So it's just a safety feature, which is really nice. So again, quality top notch, speed is great for the unit, flexibility is top notch, adjustability is top notch, weight is top notch, it's not super heavy. Overall, very impressed with this, and it's decently comfortable. I mean, if you're looking for something right out of the box that's super easy, guys, I didn't have to do really anything. Like, that's how simple it is. I highly recommend this. This is definitely in the top 3 that I've ever reviewed for wheelchairs.